Good morning and welcome to today's live stream. So we have both the suspects on screen. One is Nifty and the other is Adani Ports. Adani Ports below 1404 becomes a very good sell. I'll be doing it in 1420 put option. Nifty looks like it's forming a base here, so if it breaks 25014, then we can go short. Otherwise, let's wait, because this is a very strong resistance zone for Nifty. Breakdown means it's easy points for us. Break up means it's going to be difficult to trade. So we can take a small risk if we want here. That's the 5 minute complete. Good morning, Anil. So what we can do is go along at the close of this candle now. Money. Stop the low of this candle, and if it crosses and trades above 129, then it can go big time up more. So as we can see, Nifty has taken support at our first support of 25,005 and has closed close to 50 points from there. 25,06 is being the first target, 25,106 being the second target. So call option is moving nicely from, it's reached the resistance that I mentioned, 129.9 exactly, and can move up very nicely from here. 152 is the target for long at 114. Now we can keep stop at entry when it loosens this trade. Nifty has reached our target, first target. Good morning, Amal. We can book partial profits here, and the remaining trading should be our cost, which is at 114. It's turning out to be a bumper day for us. So 153 is the target we're looking at, from 114, partially booked at 127. Now looking for 152. So then you can watch for a turn here. If it turns here, then we might get a good entry. Moving to 5 minutes here. 143 Nifty, and next target is 152, about that 181. So Nifty's final target can also be our Nifty's resistance at 25,106 could be a place where we can book most profits. This is the only trade that we'll take today, so I hope it ends with a. So now we can move our stop to the low of this candle, 25,040, and on the options it will be, we're already at cost, so it doesn't matter, it's above that. For an aggressive stop, we can move to 120, but since we have already booked partial profit, I recommend keeping it at cost. 25,066 is the resistance which market is testing now. So if it breaks out left from here, we can get to 25,106 and 25,164 quite easily. So Adani Ports has become a strong buy now. So let's look at a retracement to enter it. So around 1412 will be the entry, and stop loss would be 1408. Then we can look at higher targets. So now from here we should expect 1425 and above in Adani. Can enter even here, but the stop loss remains the same at 1408. So instead buy the option better, right? In option we are going to look for our infamous target of, oh, here we have a good target anyway, 32.5. And you can see this is a nice flag. If it breaks, it can go quite some time. 38, 37 could be a good target. So it looks like it has tested 25,066 correct positively, and break above this will confirm that. This could come to 1412. 1408 is a stop loss. Good morning, Kunal. So we are having a risk-free trade in Nifty now, and just entered Adani Ports call option. If it comes to 1412, I'll add one more lot. Nifty is crossed day's high. That's beautiful. And this is coming to our target 150. So small lot traders should fully book here at 150 and rest partially book and hold for 181 to 202. You can see swing trade of flat industries. Wow, it's going to 450. 447 was the target given. So Anil and others, please do book the profits. It's a superb run that we got, 15% in just 2 days. 3 days, sorry. Good morning, Amit. So now we can keep stop loss at 20, just below the 10 EMA, which should be 123 for the call option. Now taking a look at market breadth as it's close to. So friends, there was a disconnection, so we have been stopped out of Nifty position.
Yes, Daddy, show me your nose. I won't eat your nose. I bit your nose.
So my nose has been eaten and the Adani Ports is shooting up as we expected. His name is Anvik. There are a couple of videos of him in the stream. I mean, not in the stream, in the channel, where he's giving market outlook. So it almost completely went to our target of 150 and then it triggered our trading stop loss. That's okay. That's a good trade. And so as you can see, it's a lot of disturbance area, this one. So once it falls inside, we don't want to be any kind of trade. We aren't taking any kind of trade here, right? So if you really insist on trading more, then wait for it to cross 25,106 and then give a positive candlestick for which you can trade 25,165 and 25,190.
Will you drop me?
Yes, this is the congestion area, so you can see a rectangle all the way to the left. You can see this is the congestion area, right? So we traded this move out to up. Now we can trade the down move if you want, but since we have already traded, booked our profits, that's it. Let's close for the day, and I think tomorrow we'll get a beautiful move, which I was expecting, right? So today's profits are good enough for us, and now let's focus on Adani remaining, and tomorrow let's take a big trade if it comes on Nifty. I'm expecting a big move tomorrow. Let's see. So winding up the stream for today. Thank you for your patience and joining. Bank Nifty, no view. Bank Nifty will be because Bank Nifty has been moved to monthly contract. That will be a play of the big players on how to move the index accordingly, right? So that they can exit properly, right? Probably not for this expiry, but everything is going to be messy. That's why I'm not looking at Bank Nifty. If you see the entire week, I have not spoken about Bank Nifty. Okay, it's stopped being a good instrument to trade for me. Okay. So thank you very much, and I'll see you tomorrow then. Bye bye.